Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you a particular website that allows you to earn dollars each day. Okay, and it depends on your package. Your package depends on how much you earn a day. So all you just need to do is to head over to subwayive.net and sign up. Okay, so you fill in your details, put your password, and just sign up. The sign up process is very friendly. You see something of this nature, all you just need to do is to click on close to close, and this is the dashboard. Okay, on this very dashboard, do not forget, if you sign up with my referral link, you're gonna going to get a $200 dollar bonus. Okay, on this very website, there's also a VIP program, and this VIP programs allows you to earn every day. Okay, all you just need to do on this very platform is to perform a simple task and earn 2 USDT or 10 USDT or 20 or even 30 USDT a day, depending on your package. Okay, so this is what the website looks like. If you look at it down, you can see home, you can see task, you can see team, you can see VIP, you can see me. This is where you see your details. Okay, and if you check out, these are the VIP programs. Okay, VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, and also VIP4, and so on. Okay, in VIP1 you can earn 2 a day, VIP2 you earn 10 USDT a day. So this is just what that looks like. Okay, so in this very places, the moment you sign up, you'll be given a 200 USDT bonus, and you will need 211 to be VIP1. Okay, so all you just need to do, you can just add up 11 USDT and start making money. The moment you add up you add up the 11 USDT, all you just need to do is to click on unlock now. Okay, you may be wondering how you can deposit on this very website to complete your 200 USDT to 211 USDT and keep earning. Okay, so let's quickly give it some look here. Okay, you can see this is the VIP. You can check out which one you want to partake, which package you want to do, or which one you want to recharge. Okay, so let's quickly give it a look. I'll drop my link here so that you can use it to sign up, because you must be referred for you to gain this 200 USDT bonus. Okay, so you can see, if you want to recharge on this very platform, this is what you do. You click on this recharge, this withdraw, this an account, this financial record. Okay, all you just need to do is to click on this recharge. You can see my 200 USDT bonus here. Okay, if you click on recharge, it will take you to the wallet address. It will take you to your own wallet address on this very platform. Okay, if you take you to your wallet address of this very platform, the next thing that you just need to do is to copy the wallet address. So let's see. Okay, so the moment you copy this what is it called, wallet address, if you copy this wallet address, take it to your Binance, take it to your Bybit, take it to any of your app that you want to use in funding this very place. Okay, fund this very wallet and click on recharge completed. Okay, if you click on recharge completed, it will appear on your dashboard, and this 200 USDT will turn to 211. Then you can come to this place and click on unlock now. Okay, if you click on unlock now, or it will show you all of this and everything will be okay. So if you come to your tax now, instead of seeing this in progress, you can see a tax to perform and gain money. Okay, so all tax for today is 0 since we have not recharged anything, and this is our bonus balance. So all you just need to do, click on my referral link and sign up. Thank you for watching.